Imagine having a visual guide that keeps you motivated, focused, and excited about achieving your dreams every single day. A tool so powerful that it not only reminds you of what you want, but actually inspires you to take action toward it. That's the beauty of a vision board. But let's be honest, it only works if you do it right. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a vision board that's more than just a pretty collage. This one will actually work to help you manifest your dream life. Ready to transform your goals into reality? Let's dive in. Step 1. Define your goals clearly. Before we even touch scissors or glue, it's important to get super clear about what you want. This is the foundation of your vision board, and without it, everything else won't stick, literally or figuratively. Take out a journal or even a simple piece of paper and start listing your goals. Think about every area of your life: your career, health, relationships, finances, and lifestyle. For example, instead of writing something vague like, "I want to save money," be specific. "I want to save $5,000 for a trip to Europe by the end of next year." Being specific in the vision board is the most important part. The more specific you are, the better your board will work as a visual reminder of your goals. And if you don't have everything figured out yet, don't worry. Start with what excites you the most. Your goals can evolve over time. Step 2. Gather inspiring materials. Now comes the fun part. This step is where you get to let your creativity shine. Start gathering visuals that represent your goals. Magazines are a classic choice, but Pinterest is an absolute goldmine if you're more into digital. Search for images, quotes, or symbols that resonate with what you want to achieve. For instance, if you're dreaming of traveling to Paris, print out images of the Eiffel Tower or chic Parisian streets. If you're working toward better health, find pictures of fresh food, workout gear, or even someone doing yoga. Don't limit yourself to just pictures. Words and affirmations can be just as powerful. Adding phrases like, "I am strong," "I am successful," or even just a simple word like growth can make your board more personal and inspiring. Don't forget to grab some extra decorative elements like stickers, washi tape, or colorful pens to make your board truly yours. Step 3. Choose a focus word or theme. To tie everything together, pick one focus word or theme that defines your goals for this year. This word will act as your anchor, keeping you centered even when life gets chaotic. For example, if this year is all about personal growth, choose a word like evolve or transform. If your focus is peace and balance, go with something like serenity or harmony. Once you've chosen your word, place it in the center of your board as a visual reminder of what you're working toward. A theme not only makes your board cohesive, but also serves as a daily reminder of your overall intention. Step 4. Visualize your ideal life. Take a moment to close your eyes and picture yourself living your dream life. What do you see? More importantly, how do you feel? Visualization isn't just about imagining what you want, it's about connecting with the emotions of already having it. Picture yourself walking into your dream home, hearing the laughter of loved ones, or receiving that big promotion you've been working toward. When choosing images and words for your board, focus on ones that evoke those emotions. For example, if you're manifesting freedom, use images of wide-open landscapes or skies. If you're aiming for success, symbols like trophies, dollar signs, or even specific milestones can help. The key is to feel those emotions deeply, so your board becomes a tool for manifesting those same feelings in real life. Step 5. Personalize your board. Your vision board should feel like an extension of you. Add personal touches to make it unique and meaningful. Use your favorite colors, add little doodles, or even include photos of yourself. For example, if you're manifesting self-love, place a photo of yourself smiling right in the center. If family is a big part of your goals, include group photos or handwritten notes from loved ones. The more personal it feels, the more connected you'll be to it. When you look at your board, it should feel like a little piece of your future self looking back at you. Step 6. Make it visible. This is where many people make a mistake. They create a stunning vision board and then hide it away in a drawer. Out of sight, out of mind, right? Don't let that be you. Place your board somewhere you'll see it daily. It could be above your desk, on your nightstand, or even on your phone as a digital wallpaper if you've made a digital version. The idea is to keep your goals front and center so you're constantly reminded of them. Every time you glance at your board, it's like a mini pep talk for your future self. Step 7. Set intentions. Daily. Now that your vision board is ready, it's time to make it work for you. Spend a few minutes every morning looking at your board and setting your intentions for the day. Focus on 1 or 2 goals and visualize yourself achieving them. For instance, if you're manifesting financial freedom, imagine yourself checking your bank account and seeing the exact balance you're dreaming of. Feel the joy, relief, and pride of that moment. Setting intentions daily isn't just motivational. It programs your mind to focus on what truly matters and keeps you aligned with your goals. Step 8. Organize by categories. If your board feels too chaotic, try organizing it into sections or categories. Dedicate specific areas of the board to different aspects of your life. For example, the top left corner can be for career goals, the bottom right for health, and the center for personal growth. This not only makes your board more visually clear, but also helps you stay focused on each area of your life. Plus, when you achieve a goal in one category, it's incredibly satisfying to see that section completed. Step 9. Take action steps. Here's the thing, manifesting isn't magic. Your vision board won't work unless you do. Break your big goals into smaller, actionable steps. For example, if you want to start a business, your first step might be researching your niche or creating a simple business plan. If you're working on your fitness, commit to a 15-minute workout every morning. Your vision board shows you where you're going, but your actions are the vehicle that will get you there. Step 10. Update and revise. As life evolves, so will your goals, and that's a wonderful thing. Your vision board should be a reflection of your changing aspirations. Every few months, take time to update it to match where you are in life. If you've achieved a big goal, celebrate it by adding a new one in its place. If something no longer resonates with you, feel free to remove it. Remember, your vision board is a living document, not something set in stone. It should grow with you, reflecting your evolving dreams and helping you stay focused and motivated as you move through different stages of life. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to creating a vision board that actually works. Remember, this isn't just about dreaming big. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions to create the life you've always wanted. A vision board is more than just pictures and words. It's a daily reminder of who you're becoming. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments, what's one big goal you're putting on your vision board this year? I'd love to hear about it. Keep dreaming big, babe. The life you want is closer than you think.